Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. This is a one-hit wonder video. I finished all my shipments for the day. I finished today's YouTube video. I did some listing and some cross-listing, and now it's time to work on this weekend's video, which is this one, which is where we go to the thrift store and find the one-hit wonder. Rules apply. One thrift store, one item, $15 or less, need to be able to 4x to 10x that item. Can be shoes, but ideally we want to see something other than shoes because we sell so many shoes already. All right, so we're taking off now. As per usual, I'm leaving the office to go to USPS, and of course it is 12:39, which is the time that they are on break, from 12:30 to 1:30. So I guess we're gonna go to the thrift store first, then UPS, then USPS. Ideally, I like to get my stuff shipped out before I go thrifting, but today that is not going to happen. Let's get to the thrift. Let's find something. One hit wonder. I haven't done one of these in a little while. I'm super excited. Let's go. Thanks very much. You have a good one. Thanks. Haven't hit this spot in about 2 weeks. Let's see what we can find. No idea what that is. We did find some sandals in the sandal bin. That I think I'm just going to switch over to buying all of these because there's not really a one-hit wonder today. We've got a pair of Tivas, a pair of Crocs flip-flops, a pair of lime green regular Crocs. Those will do well. We've got a pair of Crocs water shoes right there. We got a pair of Vionic flip-flops. I recently sold a pair of Vionics, and so that's a really good brand to buy. We have a pair of, I believe this is a larger youth size sandal, and then a pair of Vibram 5 fingers. I'm going to continue looking and seeing what we can find, but overall this might be the haul here today. Hey guys, welcome to day number 2. Yesterday we didn't get a chance to finish up the video, and so we're finishing it up this morning. We've got our 2 bags of stuff here. We're going to go inside, we're going to go through it, and I'm going to show you what we've got. Hey guys, we're back in the studio here, and we're going to go over the things that we bought yesterday at the thrift store. But first, I want to talk a little bit about something that could potentially help your business. It helped my business, and that is having conversation. So yesterday when I went to the thrift store, you'll notice that there was very little video footage of the thrift store, and that's because the manager stopped me while I was inside Goodwill and was like, hey, you can't be filming in here. We have policy against that in our particular store. And I said, that's cool. What can we do to work this out? He said he's a subscriber of the channel. So John, if you're watching, what's up? Thank you for engaging in conversation yesterday and helping to work this out. I look forward to shopping at your store in the coming days. Thanks for talking with me yesterday. So basically when he stopped me, he said, hey, you can't be filming. I said, what can we do to work this out? How can I help? What can we do? Instead of getting defensive, I immediately went into a place of, hey, let's work it out. Let's help each other. And so we came to an agreement where he said, hey, you can film in our store. Just make sure that you are out of the way, kind of in a secluded area where there are no guests. So collect your items, take those items to the corner where there's no guests or employees, show what you've got in the store, and then film that way. And so sort of, at least in that store, that's how we're going to be moving forward, because I want to respect the store manager's wishes as well as be able to have good favor in that store. So just remember, when you're out, things may not always go according to your plan or how you want them to go, and that's okay. You just kind of have to roll with it. Now, I will say that because that all happened, it kind of threw me into like a weird headspace, but I totally get it. My headspace was weird because immediately I'm thinking, how am I going to finish this video? How am I going to get this put out? Is there going to be enough content? Am I going to be able to provide for my YouTube audience? But after the conversation, after we stood for about 15 minutes and talked, I was at peace with it. And here's the thing, you have to make it work. You've got to make it work some way. And so for me, it was engaging in conversation, having that dialogue, and deploying empathy toward the guests at the store and the employees. The employees don't like to be filmed. Hey, that's not bad. That's their preference. And so I have to respect that as a guest of the store. And so it was a good conversation. I feel like we both came out respectful of each other and each other's positions. And it's a great team there at the store. They're very kind to me every time I go in. And so we're going to jump into this stuff and I'll show you what we've got. We did hit some bangers. Now in the store, I showed you a couple items. I couldn't find any like one particular item that was great. I just found a lot of kind of average good items for good price. But after checking comps and doing that sort of thing, I did find one banger item that is going to be the one-hit wonder item. So I'm pumped to bring you a one-hit wonder video still, as well as a bunch of other stuff that we also picked up because I couldn't leave it behind. I'm going to start slow and then build up to the one-hit wonder item. So let's do it. This right here is a Campia Moda shirt. You can see it has the, I find this brand a lot and I generally don't buy it because I don't like the tag and I feel like it's not a great, I don't know. It just feels weird, but I checked comps and the comps were decent. So I picked it up. It's got the 1940s Woody vehicle, the surf vehicles. So we picked this up. It is, it's pretty great condition shirt. I believe those are $4.99, and it's also worth noting that at this store I did have a 20% off coupon, and so I did use that. My bill was like $97, and then I used the coupon, and so it brought it down to like 79 or 77, something like that. So we did get a lot of good stuff for a good price. I did buy this shirt for myself. This is a Quicksilver, just a basic short sleeve button down that'll be nice for summertime, and yeah, my size. It's a cool shirt, Quicksilver. And then one more shirt that I picked up was another Campia Moda. Once again, I don't generally buy this brand, but tropical shirts are selling like crazy for me right now. People are ramping up for summer. It looks like there's going to be lighter travel restrictions this year in spite of all the stuff that's been going on. And so tropical shirts are hitting big for me right now. So another Campia Moda shirt. These generally, like, I paid $4 or $5 for these, and they're going for like 15, 16 plus shipping. So it's an easy way to just kind of double or triple your money. And then finally, the last piece of clothing, as far as clothing is concerned, I really feel like this is a good find. I don't know that it's vintage, but this is a Niso jean jumper or coveralls. They are women's. They're cut off at the ankle, so I'm not sure if that is factory cut or if someone cut them themselves, but a pretty cool denim there. I'm going to do more research. However, there was one sold comp on eBay that was in the like 39 plus shipping. So I did pay $7.50 plus 20% off. To get 39 bucks for it plus shipping will be good. All right, so let's jump into the shoes. Now, the shoes were all $5.50 except for one or two pairs that I paid up $8.99 for, and then I got the 20% off. So we came out decent. So even though we paid up on some items, because we had the 20% coupon, if you're interested, the average buy cost was $4.58 per item. The first pair are these Vans slides. I've seen these recently at the Vans outlet, so they're not like an old pair. However, they carry sort of that old style. So yeah, we paid $4.50 for these. They definitely need to be cleaned. I'm definitely going to sanitize my hands after this video. The next pair we got is this excellent condition Sperry Topsider in leather. These generally get 35 bucks, $40 plus shipping. This is a really good condition pair, and so paid $5.50 for these. Next, we've got this pair of Hounds sandals. These are similar to Crocs. They're called Hounds. I'll put that up here. I couldn't find a lot of comps, but a black pair just like these sold for, I believe it's $34 free shipping. And so these are less than a pound. They would go probably maybe bubble wrapped a little bit and then in a poly mailer. These would definitely ship first class. Yeah, a nice little pair of Hounds. I picked up this pair of Skechers Relaxed Fit Memory Foam Mary Janes. These are going for $25 to $30 plus shipping. A good pair. They weigh more than a pound, I believe, so they will have to go priority, but really solid. They're suede, they're fabric, they have the memory foam inside, women's size 8, all things leading to a winner. This is a pair of Sperry's that I definitely had to pick up. I did pay up. These were $8.99 plus 20% off. Excellent condition. I recently sold a pair just like these, but they were gray. Yeah, probably in the same quality condition. They had the leather laces with the little knobs on the end. And I sold them for $39 plus shipping. I'm positive I can get a good return out of these, especially the dark blue with the white, very nautical feeling. I picked up this pair of Tiva Slides. They're not quite flip-flops because they don't have the toe separator. However, I do need to kind of get some of the skin cells out of the footbed, but overall, really good pair. Tiva, I am confident I can get 20 bucks plus shipping for these. I scored this pair of Crocs right here, lime green Crocs, probably less than a pound, men's size 9, women's size 11. And so these are excellent condition. I mean, what can you say? They're Crocs. They're lime green Crocs. All right, this next pair, I'm a little bit sketched out with touching the footbed. It's a pair of Vionic sandals. I just sold a pair of Vionic flats a few days ago. Vionic is not an upscale brand, but it's a little bit nicer of a sandal or a shoe brand for ladies. So Vionic is definitely something to look out for. It's Vionic. Here's another pair of Crocs. I've actually not ever seen this type of Crocs shoes before. These are more of like a water sandal or a water shoe. They have the mesh on top. They have the croc foam on bottom, Velcro across the top there. I would say that these are less than a pound and will go first class shipping. Yet another pair of Crocs, and we're getting a little bit bougie with these. Crocs flip-flops with the little medallion right there. It's plastic. It's not actually metal. It bends. But really nice, sort of an upscale look on these Crocs. And then for our next pair, you guessed it, it's a pair of Crocs flip-flops. So Crocs are trending right now. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. Crocs are trending. Really cool black and white colorway on these. For our next pair, we've got a pair of, you didn't guess it, Tiva Sandals. These are incredible. I just sold a pair of Tiva Sandals a couple days ago. I think it was 29 plus shipping. Last but not least, the one-hit wonder item of the day. I'm very happy to bring this to you. I know the one-hit wonder, I'm only supposed to buy one item at the store. I couldn't pass up on all this stuff, but here we go. Oh, before we do this, if you like this video, if you saw anything that you liked, or if you learned something, be sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel get pushed out to other people who might find it interesting as well. And then, of course, if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. All right, here's the final item. Super pumped to have found these. Paid $5.50. They don't even need to be cleaned because they are immaculate. I'm not even sure that they've ever been worn. The inside is incredible. We're talking about a pair of Vibram 5-finger shoes. These are incredible. They are Vibram. They are lace up. They are immaculate condition. The bottom looks incredible. The insides are incredible. I looked up the comps on these after I had picked them up and walked around for a while, and they're going for anywhere from $49 to $69 plus shipping. Being in this condition, I'm going to go for the $69 price point, and then if people make an offer, then we'll work backwards. With that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and attention. I appreciate the views. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button like I said already. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.